Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the options in the settings menu that you can manage in Gorenje Dishwasher GS. So in the first step, let's open the settings menu by holding the delay and program button together. The first settings with the 100 is a child lock. The next one is for manage the sounds. The number 3 is a rinse aid dosage. Number 4 is a water hardness. Number 5 is a tap all-in-one detergent mode. The next one is a total dry automatic door opening. F is a error readout. RST is a factory reset. So these are all the options that you can manage manually in this device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.